Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these chocolate orange crumble mince pies. Let's begin. To start on the pastry, you'll want to make the liquid part, so grab your egg and your sugar and combine the two in a small bowl until the sugar has been fully incorporated into the egg. At the pastry, for that, grab yourself a food processor and place in your drying ingredients and your butter and pulse together until they are combined. You can then go ahead and add in the liquid egg mixture and pulse until a dough has formed, being careful not to over mix at this point. So lightly flour your work surface with some plain flour and just place on your dough, giving it a good knead to bring it together. So make sure you get all those dry bits and the bits that haven't been fully incorporated, then wrap the dough in cling film and chill in the fridge for at least half an hour. After about half an hour, I take my dough from the fridge and I flour my work surface, place the dough onto it, then roll it out. You just want to roll it out to around about 5mm in thickness, so yes, you do get a fair few cutouts from the first roll, but I only recommend rolling the dough once more, so twice in total. So take your cookie cutter and just make your cutouts. Get as many from your first roll as that'll be the best one, but once you have, you can then start to go ahead and make the cases for the mince pie. So simply take a cupcake or a muffin pan and gently press in the pastry cutout just until it's in the shape of the muffin pan, and that'll give you the basic kind of shape. And these are quite generous, although they look small, they're very generous. So repeat the process until you have all 12 done. And here is my chocolate orange mincemeat with actual chocolate and orange in it, not like the stuff that you're buying from a supermarket with the orange in. Just fill each one very generously, almost to the top, so like more than 3/4. And here is what it should look like. The crumble mixture will just sit on top. Trust me, it's very easy. So now the final element is to make the crumble. Grab yourself a food processor and place in your dry ingredients, including the sugars. Then add in your butter. Pulse everything together just until it starts to form some larger lumps. You want a mixture of bigger lumps and no lumps at all. This is completely normal and what you're looking for. So transfer the mixture into another mixing bowl and then add in your rolled oats and orange zest and just mix those in until they are fully incorporated and fairly distributed throughout the mixture. So take the crumble mixture and place a generous amount on top of each mince pie, being careful not to add too much, but you don't want to add too little either, so the perfect amount you may find is about 1 to 2 tablespoons worth, and just repeat until you have a good mixture on each. You can then go ahead and place these into your preheated oven and bake them off. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again tomorrow with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. I'll be linked to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.